Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to cut and stitch a one-piece yoke baby frock. You'll need fabric, cotton or any lightweight fabric. Take measurements. Start by measuring the length and width of the fabric after folding it in 4 folds as shown. Measure and mark the shoulder and armhole. Mark the chest size. Measure and mark the width, depending on how full you want the baby frock to be. Join the 2 marks. Mark at 1, and give it a curve as shown. Cut it out. Prepare the sleeves. Take a fabric piece and fold it in 4 folds. It should have the following measurements. Mark and cut it as shown. With the right sides facing each other, attach them as shown. Do it on both the sides. Repeat on back part as well. Fold the top raw edge of the yoke inside by about 1/2 inch for the elastic. Measure and cut the elastic of about 16 inches in length. Insert it with the help of a bobby or safety pin. Sew the ends together. Evenly distribute the gathers around the neck. Hem the raw edges of the sleeves. With the right sides facing each other, sew the side seams together. Finish the raw edges with a serger or a zigzag stitch. Hem the bottom of the skirt by folding it twice, pressing, and stitching. Press the entire frock with an iron to give it a polished look. Try it on the baby for any necessary adjustments and enjoy your beautiful creation.